Cancer is not just uncontrolled growth. It's also a complete rewiring of how cells produce and use energy. To understand how tumors survive and how to target them, you first need to understand one key idea. Cancer cells do not generate energy the same way normal cells do. In healthy cells, energy production is highly efficient. Cells take glucose, break it down into pyruvate, and send it into the mitochondria. There, oxygen is used to produce up to 36 ATP molecules. This is called oxidative phosphorylation. It's clean, efficient, and tightly regulated. Healthy cells can also switch fuels. They can use fats, ketones, or glucose depending on what's available. Cancer cells work very differently. Instead of relying on mitochondria, they switch to a process called glycolysis, even when oxygen is present. This is known as the Warburg effect. But here's the strange part. Glycolysis only produces about 2 ATP per glucose molecule. It's far less efficient. So why would cancer cells choose it? Because it's fast. It allows tumors to rapidly generate energy and build the materials needed for cell division. Cancer cells also consume massive amounts of glucose. This is why PET scans can detect tumors. They light up because of high sugar uptake. At the same time, cancer cells produce large amounts of lactate. This creates an acidic environment that helps tumors spread and suppress the immune system. Meanwhile, their mitochondria are often damaged or altered. Instead of producing energy efficiently, they are repurposed to support growth and survival. Another key difference is metabolic flexibility. Healthy cells can adapt. Cancer cells often cannot. They become dependent on specific fuels like glucose and glutamine. This dependency creates a weakness because if you disrupt those pathways, cancer cells struggle to survive. Cancer cells also operate under constant metabolic stress. They grow rapidly, compete for nutrients, and survive in low-oxygen environments. This pushes them to the edge, especially when it comes to oxidative stress or ROS. Too much stress can push cancer cells into cell death. So the key difference is simple. Normal cells prioritize efficiency and balance. Cancer cells prioritize speed and survival. And in doing so, they expose weaknesses. Understanding tumor metabolism isn't just science, it's one of the most powerful ways to understand how cancer can be targeted.